Yeah, guys, this is my cute baby monkey. Yeah, really adorable. The age of my cute baby monkey around 3 weeks. Yeah, yeah. Everything still learn. Yeah, the baby monkey uh, did something slowly. Yeah, because yeah, really cute, adorable. Yeah, yeah. If the baby monkey was going to jumps, cannot straight away, but should be uh, took a step. Yeah, took a step. As just now, all of you guys can see. Yeah, like this. Took a step. Took step first. Yeah, cannot couldn't straight away. Yeah, but really adorable. Yeah, the color of the skin still red. Yeah, because the age around 3 weeks. Yeah, 3 weeks old. 3 weeks old. That's why everything the baby monkey still learn. Yeah, you can see the face of the baby monkey. Yeah, yeah. Going to jumping cannot straight away. Take a take step first. Yeah, slowly took step first. Yeah, slowly took step first. Yeah, then couldn't straight away because the age. Yeah, around 3 weeks. Yeah, 3 weeks. Yeah, took step first. Yeah, everything should be slowly. Yeah, this is my adorable baby monkey. But the baby monkey funny. Yeah, cute. Yeah, this cute baby monkey funny, adorable. Yeah, yeah. Want to uh, crawling. Yeah, crawling down should be slowly. Then, yeah, like this. Playing on the floor. Yeah, playing on the floor and yeah, how to hold, how to hug. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And then the behavior. Yeah, maybe curious. Yeah, how to curious how to yeah, how to. Yeah, yeah, like this. At least, yeah. Haha. This is my adorable baby. Yeah, yeah, yeah. This was. Yeah, 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 yeah. Rolling back. Yeah, the baby monkey rolling back. Everything they learn. Yeah, how to. Yeah, and then how to climbing. Yeah, climbing the. And then we tickle. Yeah, we hope the baby monkey will laughter. Yeah, laughter. Yeah, we tickle the tummy. Yeah, we tickle the stomach. Yeah, we tickle the. Yeah, yeah, guys. I hope all of you enjoy this video. Yeah.